Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore the intriguing world of total productive maintenance, also known as TPM. We'll delve into this process that aims at optimizing equipment effectiveness and how it's helping businesses achieve the dream of perfect production. We will also discuss the significant advantages of TPM, its workflow, and its fundamental pillars. And to make it more relatable, we'll share a real-life success story of TPM implementation. So if you're part of a maintenance, reliability, or operations team, this is for you. Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of total productive maintenance, or as we'll call it, TPM. This is a process that maximizes equipment effectiveness by involving all supporting departments. The ultimate goal? To improve overall productivity by optimizing equipment availability. So how does TPM work? Well, maintenance, reliability, and operations teams are always aiming for what we call perfect production. It's a tough goal to hit since unexpected problems can pop up even in the best planned facilities. But TPM gets us as close as possible to this ideal. It frames maintenance as a business advantage. No downtime, no equipment failure, just pure production and profit. TPM also utilizes the 5S methodology, which organizes and standardizes facility procedures, leading to many benefits for both production and workplace quality. Let's talk about 4 of the most prominent benefits of TPM. First up, less unplanned maintenance. With careful planning and scheduling, equipment is extremely well maintained. Plus, TPM empowers all plant personnel to take ownership of their machines, making maintenance a positive investment. Secondly, reduced equipment downtime. More planned maintenance means fewer failures. By implementing proactive maintenance activities, downtime events are minimized. Thirdly, lower manufacturing costs. As overall equipment efficiency increases, production costs also go down. Higher productivity leads to higher profits and reduced spending on equipment stoppage time and repairs. Lastly, strengthened workplace safety. Thanks to the 5S foundation of TPM, the workplace is systematically organized and cleaned. Now let's look at the TPM workflow. It's an innovative concept in the manufacturing industry that evolved from preventive maintenance to adopt practices of productive maintenance, maintenance prevention, and reliability engineering. TPM is an ingenious approach to achieve overall equipment effectiveness by involving the workforce behind the machines. Interestingly, the developments in TPM were first seen in Japan. Toyota was one of the first companies to receive TPM certification. The philosophy behind TPM was pivotal in achieving Toyota's just-in-time level of service and reliability in their production facilities. Seiichi Nakajima, regarded as the father of TPM, describes this philosophy as TPM is the making of products through the making of people. So, what are the 8 pillars of TPM? First, we have the 5S: sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. This is a workplace organization method that provides a systematic approach to cleaning the workplace. Second, autonomous maintenance. Maintenance tasks and caring for equipment should start with the people using the equipment. Third, continuous improvement. Also known as the Japanese term Kaizen, this promotes the attitude of progressing toward zero losses and zero defect. Fourth, planned maintenance. Essential to the prevention of equipment breakdown, it's performed by periodically evaluating the condition of equipment. Fifth, quality maintenance. This ensures the satisfaction of the customer by aiming for zero defect production. Sixth, training. To achieve optimum performance, proper training is required to equip each one with the theoretical and practical know-how of working with machines and equipment. Seventh, office TPM. This includes identifying and eliminating losses and contributing to the overall performance of the plant. And lastly, safety, health, and environment. This focuses on creating a safe workplace, and when actively applied to each of the other pillars, contributes to a secure and hazard-free workplace. Let's look at a real-life example of TPM in action. CCM, one of the largest beer brewers in Latin America, is a TPM success story. The principles of TPM, born in Japan in the 1970s, are alive and thriving in all of the company's 6 plants in Mexico. In conclusion, TPM develops the ideas of maintenance and preventive maintenance by involving all departments and people within an organization. With an organization-wide mindset focused on taking responsibility for the machines and equipment, increasing overall performance is achievable even with a limited number of resources. Thank you for watching. Today we've explored the world of total productive maintenance, its benefits, workflow, and pillars. We've also seen how TPM can be successfully implemented. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our services, visit upkeep.com. Remember, a well-maintained machine is a profitable one. See you in the next video.